Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to upload a video to your Google Drive quickly and easily, whether you are using a computer or your phone. It is the simplest way to back up your videos and share them online without losing its quality. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on drive.google.com. Then you need to log in over here with the help of your email address in order to access your Google Drive's dashboard. Now, if you are using your mobile device, you need to simply open the Google Drive application, which you can download from your Google Play Store or App Store. Now over here, you can open a new tab and search for Pexels 2. On Pexels, you will find a bunch of different free stock footages. So you can search for any of the genres you are in. For example, if you are interested in green screen and you want to download any green screen video, you can download it from here. Now once you have the video ready, simply click on the plus icon that you see here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can either first of all create a new folder and then you can add your files, or you can directly click on the option of file upload. Then you can upload that particular file which you have basically downloaded just like right now, or you can also go to that particular folder in which you have your own video which you want to upload here in your drive. So once you have selected that file, simply click on the option of open or upload, then wait for some time until this particular section shows you a green check. Once it shows you a green check just like so, it simply means that you have successfully uploaded your video in your Google Drive. Now, if I refresh this page in order to show it to you, you can see for yourself that this is the video that we have uploaded over here. You can check it by clicking on the My Drive option. Now here, once you have the files ready, you can basically share it with your friends and family members, and you can do whatever you want to do it with. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.